晚上10點30分，香港電台最新一節嘅風暴消息：9號烈風或暴風風力增強信號現正生效。預料當小犬接近香港嘅時候，風力顯著增強。喺晚上10點，颱風小犬集結喺香港天文台之西南偏南，大約70公里，即係喺北緯21.7度、東經114度附近。預料向西北偏西緩慢移動，靠近珠江口一帶。颱風小犬目前最接近香港，並且會喺未來2-3個鐘頭同香港天文台保持大約60至到70公里距離。受小犬影響，香港多處地區吹烈風，離岸同高地間中吹暴風。過去1個鐘頭，黃茅洲風力繼續增強，同小犬相關嘅強雨帶正係影響香港。香港將會由吹偏北風逐漸轉吹為偏東風，原本受遮蔽嘅地方可能會變得當風，市民需要保持高度警覺。天文台會視乎本地嘅風力變化，評估係咪有需要發出10號颶風信號。喺過去1個鐘頭，橫瀾島、長洲泳灘同大老山分別錄到最高持續風速為每小時89、75同72公里。最高陣風分別超過每小時101、98同99公里。防風措施報告：現時市民切勿外出，如果已經喺有遮蔽嘅地方躲避，就應該繼續留喺原處，切勿接觸被風吹倒嘅電線。因為海面有非常巨浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同低窪地區，並且停止所有水上活動。身處戶外嘅人士請立即揾安全嘅地方躲避，直至危險消除為止。有關最新嘅天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分同踏正嘅風暴消息。
Past 10 at night, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The increasing gale storm signal, number 9, is in force. This means that winds are expected to increase significantly as Koinu moves closer to Hong Kong. At 10 p.m., Typhoon Koinu was centered about 70 kilometers south-southwest of Hong Kong Observatory, which is near 21.7 degrees north, 114.0 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest slowly, edging closer to the Pearl River estuary. Typhoon Koinu is now closest to Hong Kong and will maintain a distance of about 60 to 70 kilometers from the Hong Kong Observatory in the next couple of hours. Under the influence of Koinu, gale winds are affecting many places over the territory, with occasional storm-force wind offshore and on high ground. Winds at Wang-Mao-Zhou continued to strengthen in the past 1 hour. The intense rain bands associated with Koinu are affecting Hong Kong. Local winds will change gradually from northerlies to easterly winds. Areas which were previously sheltered may become exposed. Members of the public should stay on high alert. Depending on changes in local wind conditions, the observatory will assess the need for issuing the hurricane signal, number 10. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Wagon Island, Chung Beach, and Tace Cairn were 89, 75, and 72 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 101, 98, and 99 kilometers per hour respectively. For the precautions for the signal number 9, do not go outside. If you are reasonably protected, stay where you are. Do not touch electric cables that have been blown loose. Since seas are very high and there are swells, you're advised to stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas and not to engage in water sports. People outdoors should find a safe place now and remain there until the danger is over. Please listen to the radio television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours of 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節嘅風暴消息報導完畢。